Have you ever wanted to make a foreign dish? You can make Aebleskiver, which is basically a pancake but a ball, and you can put toppings like chocolate chips and jelly and apples in it. So if you want to make it, my family makes it every year for Christmas. So here are the tools needed for it. You'll need 2 bowls, 2 medium-sized bowls, a whisk, a spatula, a sifter, a skewer, or toothpicks, and most important of all, you need this, which is a Danish traditional Aebleskiver maker, which you can also use for, you can also substitute it for cake pop maker or donut hole maker. And then the ingredients are sugar, baking soda, salt, eggs, baking powder, cardamom, buttermilk, and flour. And butter. We need butter. Okay, so you see how I got the whites out? Now I need to slip it, and that's good. I can just pour it in there. All my dry ingredients, so all the ones like grains and dry, and stuff. Now you do this. Okay, now I'm going to put my buttermilk into the yolk mixture. And then I'm going to whisk it until there's no lumps in it. Okay, so this is what it should look like, all done. And now I need to whisk these for, I'd say, about 2 to 3 minutes. And then until they can, here I'll show you. So until it's foamy and good, you need the whiskers to stay on the bottom of the bowl, and I would turn it up to high power. Okay, so I've whisked it for a little while, and it's turned into this. It should kind of look like sea foam, and it should hold its shape if you put it up, and if you rise it very slowly, it'll make peaks, tiny peaks. See, that's what it should look like. Okay. So next, you need to pour this in. It's kind of hard. And then you need to fold it over like this. Because there's a lot of air inside there, and we don't want to get rid of that air because it makes it puffy. That's how it works. What we do is first we grab the butter. That's why I don't make. We go around, plop, around, plop, around, plop, around, and plop, around. You get the idea. I need a little more of that. Okay. So now what we got to do is we grab some of this, wipe off, and then I use that. That's why I don't do a spoon. It's really fun, actually. Okay, so it should look about that. Try to get them around this size. This size is perfect right here. So now, quick, if you want to add ingredients, take some. I got cinnamon apples and chocolate chips. So what you gotta do is you put them in there, and then, yeah. So you dab outside, inside. So you try and cover them out. You dab on that and then dab on them. Because don't worry, the mixture's pretty cold if you just put them in. Okay. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more apples and a little bit more chocolate chips. Outside, inside, outside. Oop, I'm flipping that one. Let me do that. Okay, so now we just gotta wait a little bit. Don't want that. Take that off. Okay, sorry. So flip, and then try and put everything in there. So you try and grab the side, pull it over, and put everything in there. See? It's quite easy. And trust me, the chocolate chips taste a lot better. And the reason you push the chocolate chips down is because they can't be on the top. When you flip them, they'll get burned into the pan. That'll be hard to get. Okay, so you gotta flip and then put them in the bowl. You will not flip. Just grab them, push. Grab them, flick. Grab them, push. Grab them, flick. That's how you make Aebleskiver. You should go home and try them sometime. They're really fun to make with your family, and they taste good too.